Hey, what's up, guys? Checking out this house out in Covington. It is listed on the market, and I've been showing you guys a lot of listed houses, and I just wanted to say we don't like listed houses as investors. However, it's really hard to find an off-market house that's vacant that I can walk through and show you guys a video. Normally, I'm walking through those with the homeowner, so it'll be a while before we get to see one of those on a Facebook Live. So let's show you guys this. It's listed at $230,000. It's a fixer-upper. It's 30 years old. This is a massive kitchen. Like, the pictures didn't do it justice, but this is huge. I mean, you could put an island here. Yeah, I mean, it's like a football field. So this is straight out of the 90s, I guess. It's a 30-year-old house. It's the original owners. But we definitely have to change out all the cabinets. Brand new kitchen. Needs all new flooring. This is the garage. This is one of the few houses in the neighborhood that have a 2-car garage. So that's definitely a plus. And it has a little bathroom there, so it's a, I thought it was a 4.2. It's actually a 4.2.5. So a little half bath there. That's a nice little feature. Okay, so this is a weird floor plan. I'm gonna come around this way. So you go through the kitchen into your great big den here with the fireplace. We like the fireplace. And then you got your back porch. We're gonna go out there in a second. I'm gonna show you some trees. And so this is what you call a split floor plan. So let's see. If you see, like, that's the hallway to the 3 bedrooms, and then over there is the hallway to the master bedroom. And then here's the front door. They didn't want us using the front door, so I'm not sure what's wrong with that. So big old master bedroom here. And then we got 2 closets, which is nice. We could probably like turn that into one really big closet. We got this old retro bathroom. Pretty cool tub. I like the color. So there's probably nothing wrong with this house structurally. It just needs a facelift. So we're talking paint, floors, some fixtures, lighting and plumbing fixtures. Here's the bedrooms. Nothing special here. Boom, boom, boom. 3 little bedrooms and a bath. Hey Josh, just checking in. Where is this house? Covington. This is in Covington. It's a nice opportunity for you, Chaz. Come on out here, man. They're asking $230,000 for it. We won't get it for that. We're gonna need to get it a lot cheaper. But it's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. All fixed up is probably worth $250,000 to $300,000. So here's some, we don't want to call them problems, we call them opportunities that I see. Check out this massive, it's like a water oak. It's some type of oak. But look how close it is to the foundation. That's like 5 feet away from the foundation. And so a little tip about trees, wherever the branches go out to, like I'm a tree, that's where the roots go out to. So if they're going out like 20 feet, then the roots are 20 feet out underground. So you can kind of visualize, if you look up there, you can kind of visualize where the branches are underneath the house, and that could cause some foundation issues. So I see 1, 2, 3 big trees that would need to get cut down, and I estimate $500 a tree. Sometimes it's more expensive if you got, power lines and stuff in the way. Here's another tree, really close, really big. That's not really big. That's pretty big though. I'll show you we call this the elevation of a house. It's not how tall it is off the ground. It's basically the curb appeal is the elevation. And so it's not too appealing, but I think some landscaping and maybe changing out the shutters. Hopefully we don't have to paint the brick, because it's a lot of brick. It's a whole house. But some landscaping, maybe a nice little walkway. See, we got these stones under the leaves. Cut down some of the big trees, and we could really increase the curb appeal of this house. So yeah, that's about it for this house. But remember, we definitely don't prefer on-market deals. We like the off-market deals. They're just harder to walk through on a Facebook Live. So thank you guys for watching.